slow down on the curves. I've learned my lesson.
It is cold out here. I've never raced before because I've always done crawling. So once I know how to do the turns and how to just race, then I can be able to go out there and maybe participate in racing events, build my own racing car. So that's the goal of this year, for me to get better at what I'm doing, to be able to go to Yokohama and do the tracks.
My car is so low. Mine is almost up.
Now, you have to take the things there. Where you're going to use the cones. Yeah, because you're going to place them like this. So that the car can go right through.
Mine can't turn like what you're thinking.
We haven't tested it yet.
Coco, my turn is.
Julian, just listen to me. Do what I tell you. Trust me. Me and Julian have decided to create our own truck, and then we're going to race each and every car, but we haven't even tested the truck itself. It's just a loop. We are going to modify it as the time goes by, right? It's our first time to build a truck, so comment if you have any other ideas. We're going to be adding this time. I think we have the space, so we are capable of even building a truck past here. We can also move this ping pong table, and then we'll be able to build a truck maybe from here. I just need to get the right stuff to be able to build.
Okay, that's perfect.
Still not correct. Look at this side.
Oh.
You do. You have to move it a bit. That's it. Let's do some laps. Let's do some laps. Let's do some laps. Laps.
I guess it's like
So guys, as you can see, we're not pros on the racing circuit. From crawling all the way now to trying to do laps with this, we're really putting effort. So we're getting there with a little bit of practice. One day we'll be pros, but it's a good start. We have to fix the truck again. Julian is already doing laps. You have to fix the truck. Yeah, you have to put one more. There, you have to fix the spaces.
okay.
Put your controller down. Racing with the other. How do you get first dibs on something that you haven't even touched? You're just waiting for me to fix, and then you're like, okay, give me now. You put a battery, okay, give me now. I actually like the one that you're driving. This one needs a bigger cock. And I think we're going to improve the track itself. So we're going around like that, but we're going to improve the track itself. But this one is mainly, it's more of like a toy car. I'll show you. So it's all plastic. So it's, I think, not designed to, you can drift around the house, but on a floor like this it's not doing so well. But the winner of the day is this one. This is the winner of the day. And also the Porsche. Also, just bring it. Stop. Also the Porsche, when you look at it, it's actually well designed. It's
And then the plastic doesn't break.
And the plastic doesn't break, and just the whole design of it is very nice for just a basic toy car. It's absolutely stunning. On the other hand, this one has heat sinks. It has everything. I really love it because it's small, it's fast. So that's my favorite. Like it. So I'm going to do 2-3 more laps.
Okay.
2 more laps on this, and then I call it a day. Worth a try. Really enjoyed. Cool. On the other hand, this, like, you should put it on your shelf as a collector's rather than use it to drift and everything. I think it's something worth having after going to the Auto Salon 2024 in Tokyo. We really enjoyed that, and thank you for viewing. Well, remember to like, remember to subscribe, and I'll see you guys in the next episode. You give it a try. Spin, yeah, and then now down. Slowly, yeah, like that. Oh, keep pressing it. Keep pressing the accelerate, not the turning, the accelerate. Yeah, near. Yeah, like that.
Come here.